may remember as child's play at a birthday party, but he takes it to an extravagant level.
He's proof that balloon expertise is truly an art that's developed over time. Jonathan Fudge, a.k.a. Mr. Fudge, runs an event and balloon decor company right here in Tampa Bay and joins us now to share his craft. Welcome. Nice to have you.
Hey, thank you so much for having me on the show today.
And all your beautiful friends that you brought
Yes.
along, made by your balloon artists that we will meet in a second. But first, congratulations, Season 10, America's Got Talent, showing the world that this is truly an art form.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a great experience, and I think at the time I was the first balloon twister to make it past the judging rounds, so it was really nice.
And you can do so much so quickly. How long have you been practicing this, getting into balloons?
I've been twisting balloons since I was 8 years old, and I can twist 33 balloon dogs in 3 minutes.
33 balloon dogs in
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
That's 11 balloon animals a minute. Now, I can't keep that up for a whole party, so don't get any ideas there.
What
but
is the most extravagant thing you've made out of a balloon?
I've done almost 500,000 balloon installs in giant convention centers with 50 balloon artists that took a week to set up and took almost as long to break down. So we've done some giant installations. We recreated the African savanna. We've done animals and giraffes full size. We've done T-Rexes and dinosaurs, all kinds of stuff.
Wow, okay, and I want to see some video of the other artists that you brought along with us and the things that they are able to create, because you said there's different techniques that people will use to create their balloon art.
Yeah, there's people go in aprons, they do with tables, they do with setups, they do all kinds of different things. Everybody performs a little bit differently. That's why I brought a couple artists to show you kind of how that changes.
All right, so these are latex balloons.
Correct.
These are special balloons because I was watching them going, how does the balloon not pop when they twist it?
Oh, they definitely pop, but they are the highest quality latex balloons you can get on the market. We don't buy just any random balloons. Each balloon costs anywhere from 7 to 14 cents.
Oh.
And it's something interesting I heard you mention earlier is these are biodegradable.
Correct. A lot of people think that they're plastic. They're not. They're latex. They're natural latex. They do biodegrade. You have to shred them up, do some things with the sun and water to get them to break down properly, but there's people that throw them in their garden and just grow food out of them.
That's incredible. I did not know that. And it's also so much fun. Like, it brings so much joy to watch a balloon artist at work. First, you don't know what they're going to make. Then it starts to take shape, and you're like, oh, that's a flamingo. I recognize that.
It's got a very Bob Ross feel. I love it.
Exactly right.
Okay, so can you teach us how to make a little something?
I would love to. In
Okay.
fact, I'm going to start with something really quick. So if you guys take one of these balloons, this is going to be so awesome and amazing. If you ever get a balloon, you get something to you, all you got to do is got to fold it in half,
Okay.
cross them over just a little bit, grab that little crossy point, and then give it a twist.
And don't be shy about twisting.
Don't
It's
be
not-
shy.
I know, I'm nervous it's going to
Oh,
pop
it
on
didn't
me.
pop.
And then when you hold it up, you get yourself a nice little
I'm a
fish.
fishy.
Okay.
So that's your introduction. People normally start with a dog. This is way
Okay.
easier, way more fun. You can get started with it.
Okay.
So-
Love it.
All right,
That's
now
it.
I'm feeling more confident.
So
Can we
that
step
that
it
is
up?
called a loop twist. Yeah. So
Okay.
let's take one more balloon. We're going to take this into something you might actually be able to use at a party or an event if you ever get caught.
Oh.
So if this, you're going to have a little bit of tail at the end because that's where the air goes when you twist it, right? So that's you always want to have a little bit. You're not fully inflating anything.
Okay, good to know.
But go to the nozzle end.
Put it in also there.
And now we're going to do the same thing where we folded it, but it's not going to be in half. It's just going to be a little bit. So you're going to about have a hand's length or so here.
Okay.
And then you're going to actually squeeze across. And then you're going to give that a twist. And what that's going to do is create a loop twist. That's perfect. You guys are doing awesome. And then if you've ever had a thread a needle, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this piece, thread it through that loop. Don't pull it all the way through. You're starting over. But you pull it most of the way through, and you get yourself
Oh, I know.
a nice
sword.
little sword. Yeah. That's
On
right.
guard. All right, well, you said that you can make 33 dog balloons in 3 minutes.
That is correct.
Can you show us a quick dog balloon?
Yeah, so the quick dog balloon is going to be just like that.
Oh my goodness.
So,
Wow.
yeah, and so a lot of
true
people
artist.
will teach that you make the head, you make the ear, you make the ear, you twist them together. But I actually just skip a lot of that step, and I just twist in the middle of the feet and twist it together, and that makes it
And there we
super
have
quick.
our little
my
dog friend.
goodness.
Thank you, Jonathan, for the joy you bring. Also performs for U.S. troops, so
Yeah, thank you.
bravo.
Yeah,
Thank
and you can see more of his work on Instagram at Balloons Tampa.